Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2 on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And I have stock Android, so right here, near to the name, I have the pencil icon. On some devices this icon located at the right top, and also some devices have a line with the name, not this icon. So I'm going to tap at the icon, maybe you need to tap at the line, and right here you can write the best one for you. You can remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be done, OK, check mark, or something else. So tap at that button and as you can see I just changed the name. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!